Hi guys, in this lecture you are going to explore with me the HSL secondary. HSL secondary is a secondary color correction. You select a color and you can change it, giving it more saturation, more vibrance, or change totally the color. It is much better than using masks and stories like this, of course. But it's about colors. Okay. We are not going to use this video. It's too dull here. Let's go to flag here. And you notice we have a flag that is moving around and it has different colors. This color green, we don't like it. We want to change the color itself. So let's come anywhere in the video, for example, just over here, and drop lumetri color on it. Okay. Let's open HSL secondary and start choosing our color. The way to select your color or the number of colors or the shading of the colors, you go to key and you start with set color. You click on set color and you say, for example, I want this color. Now, I can't see anything, I don't know what is selected. But there is here a mask. You can show the mask. Now, everything that is gray is not selected, and everything that is green is selected. Cool. You can go also color black, same concept, and you can go white black, depending on what you want to see. Now, I usually work like this. I select color gray, but then I invert the mask. It makes a lot of sense to me. If I invert the mask, then later on I will uncheck it. It shows me here what I didn't select. It just makes sense. So I will add a color. You see here you have add color, so let's add a color. Let's add another color. Here you are. I'll add this one. It's covering. I need more here. Let's add this color. Okay. And then there is small one here, but I think it will affect in the future. Let's add this color. Cool. We're doing a very good job. Notice the gray area here is not very good. I want to scrub through. I want to go up and see exactly how much I have selected. Well, it seems I've done a good job. I'm sure you can do better than that. Okay, I have a hole here which I need to fix. Okay, not bad. We selected almost everything is working very fine except the area over here. Cool. So let's fix this area. We will come to the HSL slider. Now notice what happened here. When you selected the color, the hue, saturation, and luminance has selected this color range for you. You notice here you are on the red and small yellow. You can click on it and slide it to actually change your whole selection. So now I'm over blue here. I don't know what is selected. I will undo, but also I can refine the selection by using the small arrows down here. If you click, you will extend a bit the selection and try to notice what's happening. Not all of them something will happen, not for the hue, saturation, and luminance. Some of them do not affect. Let's go to saturation now and try to take as much as we can without going overboard here. So now let's use the luminance just a bit. Here you are. And let's take back the saturation. I'm cool. Let's play the video here and see if we have done a good selection. Here you are, not bad. We have a small problem here. I'm sure you can tweak it. Cool. So we done our selection. If we want to adjust even more, you can come to the refine here and then denoise it if there is any noise. Like here there is a bit of noise. And then you can blur it, but be careful on the blur. You blur too much, it's gonna go like blurred the whole selection. Is not good. Okay, that's enough, I guess so. Okay, that's cool. Now, let's go to correction. This is where the fun starts. You have the color wheels. Now, you have one wheel or three wheels, depending on what you want to do. For this example, one wheel is enough. Now, I will change this color to red. Before that, put back the mask to its initial. So this is the selected one. I'm going to show mask, remove it, and then I'm going to change it to red. I will click on red. Here you are. It has changed to red. Fantastic, right, guys? Okay, here you are. You have changed it to blue. If I play now, I will notice the mistakes I have done in the selection, maybe over here. They're not even visible. We did a good job. Cool. You can change it to purple. And that's it. So actually you will set the key or select the colors or the range of colors, and notice by playing with the hue, saturation, and luminance, you can set a big range if you want. You can go from yellow to blues. I could have selected the sky over here also. The best way I find, if you want to select two colors to make them one color, use another lumetri scope effect and select the second color with the second effect. Cool. So actually this is all about the HSL. Is very easy to use. Okay, so let's go to red, for example, over here for the highlights. And in the midtones also we go to red. Okay. And in the shallows we go to red. Now you notice it's giving us a certain red, not 100% red. Now you can come and play with the temperature. Here you add temperature if you like. You can tint it left, right, whatever you decide. That's cool. In fact, that's too much. Notice the blur effect around is not very nice. I will remove the tint. You can play with the contrast, decide exactly what happens. The saturation is very interesting. You can saturate the colors that are in the wheels, of course. And that's it. That is HSL secondary. Of course, as an exercise, you can select the blue sky and make it bluer or grayer if you like, something like this. So this color correction here is extremely beautiful. Remember that HSL is a secondary color correction. You never start with it. But in After Effects, you can do a lot of effects using this option here. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the next lecture.